in Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards. We got a new project behind me. It's going to go look like my cabinet because it's actually a dresser that I'm making into my toolbox. I ain't got a lot of money, so we're going to go with what we got. I got enough drawers for all my tools, so we're going to do that the same color we got the cabinet. Which on the cabinet, I changed the brown to a lighter brown, and I think it set it off even better because that darker brown didn't work. So I'll let y'all show you that real quick. So there's the cabinet. I gotta go where these boxes are and get to the side because that's the only side I couldn't get to, and we'll go from there when I'm able to. But we're gonna focus on this dresser, or in other words, my new project, my toolbox, because I got too much tools for my itty bitty toolbox and it makes it too damn heavy. So I don't like that grayish color, so I pulled the drawers out to really get that color in there good, unlike what I did with the cabinet. So let's get to this. I got a paint a white primer. I went to 4 different stores and tried to find gray primer and could not find it. So I went to Home Depot. They were also out of the gray primer. So I went and got the white flat paint plus primer. So we're just gonna paint that primer white and then do our camo. So let's get that painting that white. You're supposed to have face masks when you're spraying this, but here at Making Trucker's Garage backwards, we don't do that kind of stuff because we like to do stuff backwards. reason it's just not wanting to work right now. But that's what I got. So, let's get back to doing this. Let's move around. There's a bad storm. Yeah, so, yeah. Let's try to get this done before this storm hits. Here we are with the finished product. We need to add more color to that and to that, which I think they would look almost alike. So, if you like how this has turned out, give me that thumbs up, like it, comment, hit that notification bell, because we'll have more videos of kind of stuff like this, and we'll go from there and get to this truck and my buddy's car here eventually. We're still waiting on a part to come in for his, and waiting for there will be a video of my Silverado motor getting yanked out of it, so we can get that worked on and slamming it in here. Hope y'all's doing good in this quarantine. Hopefully some of y'all went back to work. Be good, stay safe, stay healthy. More videos coming at you.